Hi everyone, I'm Mark Owens from Travelshorts.com, and today I'm going to show you how to get from Brussels Charleroi Airport into the centre of Brussels using Flibco bus transfers. And we find our bus just outside the exit to Terminal 1. If you haven't purchased your tickets in advance, you can get them here right outside the exit to the terminal building. So you need to leave the airport grounds first, so you need to go this way, which is just, so there's the terminal building over there. Just walk straight down here, leave the exit, leave the airport here, turn left, and that's where you get your buses from. Brussels. Thank you. It's currently 9 o'clock in the morning and the line is already pretty big to get onto the buses. They do run about every 20 minutes or so, so hopefully it shouldn't take too long.